work on.
So what's the point of this?
Point of this
What
is
is the query that we are trying to get an answer to from the computer?
like, suppose you want to know the total salary by job, by
Okay.
department, then you can do this.
Okay.
Let's say I have this, select sum of salary from HR.employees, total salary of all employees in the HR table.
Okay. So single row function, multiple row function. First we have to write those.
Yes. So yes, last week we did single row function. In single row function, it works on every record of the table.
Okay.
But in the case of multiple row function, it will only do it for one. You will get one grand total kind of thing for the entire basis. Like this, you can also write something like count. Count means hundred and seven rows, means total number of rows in the table.
So the amount 691,416 is the total
Salary.
amount of the salary.
Correct.
Select some salary from HR.employees. Okay, that's fine. Now we are breaking it into, now here starts comma and then starts count. What are we counting, sir?
So I'm counting everything, means star. Like we did select star from HR.employees.
Mm-hmm. So now run this whole thing again.
I can also do count of, let's say, department ID. That means how many employees have department ID. And then I run this 106. That means one person does not have a department.
1 second, sir. How did you determine that?
There are 107 rows.
Okay, count is 107 and the 106 department ID. One person doesn't have a department ID. What does that mean?
It
That he
has
was
not
not
been
given an
assigned.
ID card or
Correct.
something? Are we talking
Yeah,
about
maybe
a...
he is a new joinee, department has not been assigned,
Okay.
or it could be a mistake also.
So far, basically what we are doing is all related to HR.
Yeah.
Right, sir?
Hmm.
All human resources stuff.
আপনার ভয়েসটা ব্রেক করছে স্যার।
বলছিলাম এই যে আমরা কাউন্টটা করলাম, কাউন্টটা বুঝতে পেরেছো? সুপ্রিয়, কাউন্ট বুঝতে পেরেছো?
এনার আজকে ইন্টারনেটের প্রবলেম।
Hmm.
That is the joy of living in India. As soon as it rains, all the cell phone service go to hell. As soon as there's, ever since that Amphan came, the internet service never got up to the way it was before. In my house, it's been bad since then. Actually, we are not used to dealing with hurricanes and tornadoes.
সুপ্রিয়, শুনতে পাচ্ছো?
স্যার মানে ভয়েস ব্রেক হচ্ছে স্যার।
আচ্ছা, এবার সাপোজ আই ওয়ান্ট।
আচ্ছা স্যার, স্যার
বলো।
হ্যালো,
বলো বলো।
স্যার আমি যদি পার্টিকুলার কোন একটা পার্টিকুলার কোন একটা ডিপার্টমেন্টে যতজন এমপ্লয়ি আছে তাদের স্যালারি সাবমিশন করতে যাবে, কতজন কাউন্ট আছে করতে যাবে, কিভাবে করবো?
সেটাও আছে। এবার আমরা যদি এতক্ষণ কি করছিলাম, সিলেক্ট সাম স্যালারি, রাইট, from HR.employees. Now you will say, "Arey sir, what will I do knowing everybody's total salary?" Obviously, there will be a total amount that the finance person or the banking person needs to take care of. I only need my department. So I can add a department ID here. By adding department ID, at the bottom, I have to say group by department ID. So when I run this,
So we are taking off the count.
yes, I am
Right?
now breaking up the count department wise.
হ্যালো,
Okay. What do you mean, sir?
আমরা হ্যাঁ হ্যাঁ
You're not you've taken out the count,
বাড়িতে লোক আছে,
meaning we won't see the number of employees.
Hmm.
And then you have department ID,
হ্যাঁ
after that employees, and then by group ID.
Group by.
Group
হ্যাঁ
by department ID.
If I want it ordered by department ID, I can also write order by. In the select, department ID is number 2. So I can write this order by 2.
I'm going to run this first and see what we do.
So 10, 20, 30, 40, in this way it will come.
But sir, you are showing us all this for the sake of knowing everything from the beginning, right?
Correct.
But I'm pretty sure we don't need all this.
No, you will need, because if you are writing a program where you want to update only people in a particular department.
Sir, hold on one second. In the end, you've written order by 2, right?
2. 2
Now
means.
before that, it is only up to department ID. So when I ran up to that, it is showing me a sum. 45 people are in the 1,56,004. Department ID is 50. That's their total salary of the 45 people. Then one guy is in department ID 40. His salary is 6,500. Then there are department and two guys. Okay. Now what you have done is you have ordered by two. Ordered by two meaning?
Ordered by 2. 2 means in the select statement there are 2 columns. Order by 2 means order by the second column, which is department ID.
Acha. Let's run it and see what we come up with. So my screen is showing something else than what your screen is showing.
Now it will show you something else. I refreshed it. Previous one I had run without that order by.
Okay, so right now when I'm running it with the order by 2, it is showing me the sum, then count 1, department ID 70, then salary 4,400, count again 111, order by 10. Sir, can you run it the way you
I
ran it
just now
before?
ran it, na? This one.
Okay. So why is mine different? Oh, acha, you took out the count. Oh, you took out the count. Yes.
টাওয়ার 1 এর রিসেপশনে দাঁড়ান। হ্যাঁ হ্যাঁ দাঁড়ান, একটু দাঁড়ান। নিয়ে এসো না, তুমি আগে নিয়ে এসো তারপরে এ করো। समझ में आया?
Yes, sir, of course.
হ্যালো স্যার।
হ্যাঁ, বুঝতে পেরেছো?
স্যার শুধু অর্ডার বাই টুটা একটু কি ডিফারেন্স
আচ্ছা,
হলে
অর্ডার
বলবেন?
অর্ডার বাই আমরা নরমালি কি লিখি? অর্ডার বাই ডিপার্টমেন্ট আইডি লিখি তো?
হ্যাঁ।
এরকম লিখি।
হুম।
তাহলে এই ডিপার্টমেন্ট এই ডিপার্টমেন্ট আইডি যেটা আছে, অর্ডার বাই ডিপার্টমেন্ট আইডিটা,
হুম।
আমি ডিপার্টমেন্ট আইডিটা কোথা থেকে নিচ্ছি? এই সিলেক্ট থেকে। তাহলে এটা নাম্বার 1, এটা নাম্বার 2, তাহলে অর্ডার বাই 2 হয়ে গেল, মানে সেকেন্ড কলাম। আর যদি আমি অর্ডার বাই 1 দিই, তার মানে অর্ডার বাই স্যালারি, সাম অফ স্যালারি, তাহলে যেটা হাইয়েস্ট আসবে সেইটার অর্ডারে ও সর্ট করে দেবে, স্মল থেকে লার্জ করে দিল।
আচ্ছা আচ্ছা আচ্ছা, হ্যাঁ হ্যাঁ।
ডাইরেক্ট
Yes, sir. Yeah, I got
understood?
it.
This is clear,
Yes,
na?
yes. Yeah, yeah, that's fine.
So a lot of times what happens, there are 4, 5 in the select, you have 10, 20, 40 columns also. So in those
Yes.
cases, you don't have to know the exact name. You can just give what is the sequence number of that cell in
Right.
that select statement. Okay.
Yes, sir.
Yes, sir.
Acha. Now I will ask you, I want a total by job.
Yes.
I want the sum of the salary by job ID. Please write the query. Sum of salary by job ID.
Okay, so we'll have to say select, right? We'll have to begin with select some salary by job ID, right?
সুপ্রিয়, বুঝতে পেরেছো
Salary
কোয়েশ্চেনটা?
হ্যাঁ স্যার।
আচ্ছা, করো, লেখো।
department will be job ID. You have to put the job ID in brackets, or could it be outside brackets?
No, sum of salary, only the salary will be in bracket. It will be like
Okay, okay.
job
So
ID
why
will
are
be
we
out.
putting stuff in bracket?
Because
I
that
think I
means
wasn't
it
there.
tells you it is a function, right? Like in that case we were doing single row function.
Yeah.
In single row function also it was showing that.
Okay, sir. So select, what I've written is select sum in bracket salary, comma, job ID from HR employees.
HR dot employees.
From HR dot employees. That's it. That's all you wanted. Job ID.
Then
Then run it. You didn't ask for an. You didn't ask for a department or anything. You just wanted job ID. Let's see. Okay, something is missing. What did I miss? Sir, what did I do wrong?
হ্যালো।
বলো।
আচ্ছা,
অটো বাই
সিলেক্ট
করতে
সাম
হবে?
হ্যাঁ, বলো। সাম স্যালারি,
সিলেক্ট সাম স্যালারি কমা জব আন্ডারস্কোর আইডি ফ্রম এইচআর এমপ্লয়িজ গ্রুপ বাই জব আইডি।
রান হয়েছে?
হ্যাঁ স্যার।
ওকে, ভেরি গুড।
Group by what?
Group by job ID.
Oh.
That you missed out.
Why do we have to write group by job ID when we have
Because
already
otherwise how will the
given
system
it?
know what the breakup
The
is on
system
what
has been.
column?
But sir, the system. We've already told the system to pull it out from the
You have only
HR.
No, you have only told the system to show you department ID and some salary. Breakup, department wise breakup is only after group by. See,
Okay.
if I don't, suppose I don't write this department ID. Okay, I write just
Yes.
sum of salary group by department ID. Then
Yes,
also this system will work.
right.
This query will work. It will just show me the salary. Oh, order by not 2, order by 1. There is no second column, na? So there.
So right now, Supriyo Supriyoda, are you getting the 34,000 job IDs, AD, VP, and all that, right?
Yes.
Okay. So you said the practice screen is in the Oracle site also, right?
Yes.
Huh?
Where is it? Under which column? Schema.
This is this under home. This is the one, na? This is the practice one. SQL worksheet.
No, that though we are doing it with you, but otherwise, you had said in this there are my tutorials, code library, my tutorials, my script.
Okay, understood, everyone?
Yes, yes, yes,
Okay,
yes.
let me just run this query with the job ID. Since you have done it already. So this department I will remove, I will put job ID, and here I'll put job ID. That's it. And then I will run it. Let's say order by 2 now. Now suppose you wanted that okay sir, you have given us job wise, salary wise, but I want it within the department job wise, salary wise. Then what should I do? So within the department, I will have this. Since I have put, this is called a non-multiple, single row. This is a single row, right? Job ID, department ID. There is no function like sum, count, or anything. So we'll say group by job ID, comma, department ID here. Group by must also have whatever cells you can say non-aggregate cells. These are non-aggregate columns should be in the select as well as in the group by. Whatever you have in the select has to be in the group by. Otherwise, you will not be able to see it. Now, if I run this,
you won't be able to run.
I will get it within department. See, job wise within 110. Or if I want to now order it by third column, department wise, I will get this. So
Okay, so
within
you're
10, within
saying,
20, within 30.
sir. So you're saying when we do select some salary, job ID, department ID, the same thing has to be in the group by
Group
also.
by, which is
Job by,
non-aggregate
job ID.
functions must be in the group by.
That's one. এক ঘন্টা কি করে চলে যায় বোঝাই যায় না. Okay, so when we ran it, it's 4,400 department is, and we're pretty much getting the same answer, 20, 20,
No, but it
20.
is broken up department wise, job wise.
Job wise and department wise. Yes, absolutely.
See, SH clerk, ST clerk, ST man, all are in 50 department.
Yes, sir.
হ্যাঁ স্যার, যদি এটাকে আপনি অর্ডার বাই 3 করেছেন, যদি অর্ডার বাই 2 করতাম তাহলে এই জব আইডিটা কিভাবে ওটা সিকোয়েন্সে আসতো?
ওরা আগে
কোন
জব
ফর্মে?
আইডি দিয়ে, হ্যাঁ জব আইডি দিয়ে সর্ট করতে।
আমি রান করে দেখছি অর্ডার বাই 2 করলে কি হয়।
Just always when you have questions, run it and see.
Okay, so
দেখো সব জব আইডি গুলোর আগে এ এসছে।
হ্যাঁ, তার মানে
Alphabetically, order by is 2.
order by 3 করছি ছিল। So is that it for today, or are we still going on? Are we carrying on more, sir?
Yes, yes.
No. I thought maybe this was it.
No, no. Long way to go, Mr. Tariq. All right. So this is, we did like this. Now, if I want some conditions attached, meaning I will say where department ID equal to 110. So it will show me only for department ID 110.
But sir, how would you know where to put the where at? Like
After
you're
what,
putting it.
after from, you remember in our first class we had done where condition, where
Yeah, yeah.
department ID equal to 110. So where is always after the from, and it has to be before group by.
This is the group ID.
So the output will only show me two rows, 110. Suppose I want only for, let's say 10.
10.
Clear? I can also do like this. In place of department ID, I can say where job ID like a percentage.
Job ID, not through department, but through A. A would be the first name of the guy, right, sir?
Job ID. No, job ID. AC manager,
Oh,
AD
okay, okay,
VP,
okay,
AD
okay. Job ID,
assistant,
job ID,
everybody's
okay.
A, 5
Job
rows.
ID. Can you scroll back up, sir?
Yeah.
Job ID like. You have to say like, right?
I can add more conditions also. And if I want multiple department IDs, I can write like this. In, sorry.
So we are adding one more line. And department ID in 90 and 100.
See, earlier in the previous one, I said where department ID equal to 110. Suppose it is more than one department. Then what we can do, we can just put where department ID in and then run that.
And now we added order by 2 also.
Correct. That was already there.
স্যার আমি একটা এরর পেলাম যে আমি যদি হোয়ার জব আইডি ইকুয়াল টু এসি আন্ডারস্কোর এমজিআর দিই তাহলে রান হচ্ছে না কেন?
Job ID equal to
এসি আন্ডারস্কোর এমজিআর, যেটা জব আইডির মধ্যে আছে এরকম একটা জব আইডি, তাহলে রান হচ্ছে না কেন এটা?
within inverted comma দিয়েছো? Job ID equal to
হ্যাঁ এবার তোমার ছিল না।
আর মাল্টিপল ভ্যালুজ হলে যেরকম ডিপার্টমেন্ট আইডি দিয়েছি 90,110 within bracket 90,1
মানে বোথ থাকবে
হুম
এ দিয়ে স্টার্ট হবে সবাই যদি এ দিয়ে স্টার্ট হয় আর 90 এ দিয়ে করবেন ঠিক আছে
Navel, how do we copy the link of this picture? Yes, right? Put it
yeah
here.
print screen
Got it. Like it. Yes, what are we doing?
হয়েছে
এক সেকেন্ড স্যার
तारिक जी हुआ
हाँ मैं तो कब से कर रहा हूँ
ओके डन अभी
क्या
we want to see all the values where department ID where the sum of the department the sum of the salary is greater than 10,000. So sum of the salary, it is no longer a single row, but we are talking about an aggregate function. Aggregate means totaling, which has more than one function. So we'll have to use a clause called as having sum greater than sum of salary greater than, let's say 10,000. So if I run this, it will only show me those salary whose sum of the salary is greater than 10,000 and the job ID is starting with A.
Sir, when we write having some salary greater than 10,000, does it have to be in this order or you can write it after order by two?
No, it has to be in this order. From, where, and having, group by, order by. Order by is always at the end.
So there is some protocol we need to keep in mind. Select is the first step, from is the
Yes,
area
always
where
start
you
with
have to
select,
pick your.
then
From
from,
is where the
table
department
names
you
are
want
there.
the
Table
table
names are
name.
there.
Yeah, table. And then we have and would be the department, having some group by job ID department.
Having and group by. Remember, having and group by is only used when we have aggregate functions like sum, count. These
And
are
we want more
aggregate
details.
functions. Yes, these are total.
So, oh boy, me asle, I can practice through there. Is that what you said?
Yes, yes.
Practice.
And all these explanations are also in the book. So the queries are written. You have additional practices for every chapter and at the end of the book. Although Supriya has taken the book, he still doesn't have time to practice from the book. কি সুপ্রিয় তাই না?
স্যার চেষ্টা করছি স্যার।
গুড।
না স্যার আমি এক দুদিন করেছি স্যার প্র্যাকটিস।
আচ্ছা, ভেরি গুড। প্র্যাকটিস করলে দেখবে জিনিসগুলো আটকে যাওয়া অসুবিধে নেই, আমি তো আছি, আই উইল হেল্প ইউ। কিন্তু প্র্যাকটিস যত করবে নিজের ডাউটস গুলো ক্লিয়ার হয়ে যাবে, দেখবে নিজেই তখন ভালো করে করতে পারছো, বুঝতে পারছো।
কালকে তো ফার্স্ট থিং আই হ্যাভ টু ডু ইজ সেন্ড somebody to pick up the book. So are we done today, sir?
Did you follow what we did?
Since I missed the last class.
No, but today we did a little bit of new things also. So the sum and all these you should have followed, right?
It's all very easy. All we have to do is just
practice a bit. Whatever queries we are doing, just try to use variation of this query and then do it. That will also help you.
That's the thing. That's the thing I want to. I mean, if this damn COVID wasn't there and we were there in front of you, it would have been far more easier to,
No, but even if we are in front of each other, that is only during the class duration. At the most 2 hours. True. After that, again, you are on your own.
True.
So there also practices.
Even right now, it is the same thing. Yes, sure.
Same thing. Only the mode has changed. We are still communicating, talking, and we are doing the same things. Practice, everything is the same.
Yes, practice to আমাদের নিজেই করতে হবে. We all have to do it.
You can, from your perspective, you were looking at working there, so you can also look at Fusion, Oracle Fusion Cloud. This is very hot in the market. You can check out.
The guy who advised me to do this asked me to do AWS also.
Okay.
You know that Amazon.
Yeah,
Amazon,
that is also cloud.
Yes, sir, cloud. Yeah, the Fusion thing, the thing that you just mentioned is also, I've heard he was telling me that Oracle. It's Oracle, right?
Oracle Fusion. Yeah.
Yeah.
There is HR. There is finance. So supply chain. These are different.
I'd like to do all that. Yes, sir.
That's a very hot skill in the US market.
Yes, sir. Once we finish with this, then if I'm still around, I'll do it. Otherwise, we can do it from there.
Lot of I conduct classes for people in US also, so they connect from there either in the morning or in the evening. So that is a suitable time. So
absolutely. Now, since I know you, you're like a one-stop shop for all the computer learning. That's it. Are we done for today?
Yes, I think we have covered all of them.
Yes.
So in case you want to stick around, we can do little more practice, or if you want to leave, you can leave. And
no, I'll pick up the book tomorrow. And then when is our next class, sir?
Next class Wednesday.
Okay. So we're doing what, 2 or 3 classes a week?
Right now 2 classes, because I want you guys to practice also. We can do 3 classes. Our topics will get covered faster, but at the same time I want you guys to practice also. Maybe one day we can just connect and do practice also. Just practice.
Yeah. So why don't we do it like this? Why don't we do it like this? Whatever we have covered today and the days before, why don't we practice this on Wednesday?
We can do that.
Let's do another class on Friday, Saturday or Sunday, whenever it's convenient for you.
Okay.
There you pick up with another topic, the next chapter.
Yes, I don't want to rush into, chapters, because, just rushing doesn't help. You guys need to be also confident and,
So let's do the practice in the next class, sir.
Okay, let's do that.
Okay, that'll be great, sir. Because if we practice with you, you'll be. That's what I meant by being in front of each other.
Correct.
If we practice with you, then if there's a question, we can ask you.
Yes.
Sir, eta boja jacche na, what was this? What was that?
True.
And who best than a live teacher to tell you?
No, definitely. That also
speak.
Yeah, and in your mind you will be a little more confident. That I'll have an answer, right?
Yes, sir.
We can do that.
Yes, sir. Let's do that. That will be the best way to move forward. Okay, sir. All right,
Okay.
Supriya.
থ্যাংক ইউ দারি
Thank you, thank you, thank you. See
Okay.
you on
Chalo,
Wednesday.
bye.
See you on Wednesday. Bye. Thank you, sir.
Thank you.
And happy Pujos. It's still not over, I believe.
Not no.
শুভ বিজয়া
এখন তো অনেকগুলো পুজো আছে তো।
হ্যাঁ, কালী পুজো is
পূজা
coming.
আছে, দিওয়ালি আছে, অনেকগুলো আছে।
Diwali is coming.
Okay, sir. See you on
Okay, okay, Tariq.
Okay, okay, bye.
সুপ্রিয়,
হ্যাঁ স্যার,
বুঝতে পেরেছো?
হ্যাঁ স্যার বুঝতে পেরেছি স্যার।
তুমি বলো, তোমার কি প্রশ্ন আছে? তোমার কিছু প্রশ্ন ছিল বলছিলে।
বলছি স্যার।
আজকে যা টপিক করিয়েছি বুঝতে পেরেছো তো?
হ্যাঁ স্যার, আমি ক্লাসের পরে এবার প্র্যাকটিস করব ওটা নিয়ে।
হ্যাঁ, করো।
নালে একবার উঠে গেলে আর টাইম দেওয়া যাচ্ছে না।
তাই হয়তো কাজের মধ্যে থাকলে না খুব চ্যালেঞ্জিং।
আমাকে স্যার কল করেছিলেন যে তখনও মানে অফিসের কাজে ছিলাম।
হ্যাঁ,
একবার উঠে গেলে দেখছি আর টাইম দেওয়া যাচ্ছে না।
খুব মুশকিল।
আর স্যার বলছি, এটা কি করা যাবে স্যার? দুদিন আমাদের যেরকম ক্লাস চলছে, একটা দিন প্র্যাকটিস সেশন শুধু।
হ্যাঁ, করো না, প্র্যাকটিসটা খুব দরকার। আমি সেই জন্যই করছি, কারণ ধরো আমরা যে গতিতে যাচ্ছি শেষ হয়ে যাবে, কিন্তু তোমরা কতটা
না স্যার,
কনফিডেন্ট হবে আমি
না স্যার,
সেটাই চাই।
রাশিংটা চাইছি না, কারণ
হ্যাঁ, আমিও চাই
কভার
না।
আপ করলে দুদিনে হয়ে যাবে।
হুম,
আমরা কতটা নিতে পারবো সেটাই মেন আমাদের।
সেইটাই মেন। আমরা পরের দিনটা প্র্যাকটিস করি, যদি দেখি ভালো হচ্ছে তারপরের দিনটা আমরা আবার নতুন টপিক করব।
একদম একদম স্যার। তাহলে স্যার পরের দিন তার মানে ওয়েডনেসডে যেটা স্যার, মানে টিল নাও যতদূর কভার আপ হয়েছে,
হ্যাঁ 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 হ্যাঁ,
ঠিক আছে, আপনি আমাদের কোয়ারি দেবেন, আমরা ওটা।
হ্যাঁ, তোমার আর কোনো প্রশ্ন ছিল? আগের দিনে তুমি বলেছিলে পরে জিজ্ঞেস করবে।
স্যার এই যে আমার ওই অর্ডার বাই গ্রুপ বাই এগুলো ছিল, এরকম যে এগুলোর উপর দিয়ে আজকে যখন কোয়ারি গুলো হলো এর উপর দিয়েই হলো।
হ্যাঁ হ্যাঁ, এইগুলোই অনেক সময় লাগে, কারণ ওই তোমার টোটাল বার করতে হয়, তোমার ওই গ্রুপ বাই ক্লজ গুলো ব্যবহার করতে হয়। ঠিক আছে তাহলে।
হ্যাঁ স্যার, পরের দিন তাহলে প্র্যাকটিস সেশন তো
হ্যাঁ
স্যার।
হ্যাঁ হ্যাঁ হ্যাঁ, আর এইগুলো একটু প্র্যাকটিস করে নিও।
হ্যাঁ স্যার, অবশ্যই অবশ্যই স্যার।